So you want to turn your photo into incredibly professional, stunning, and beautiful watercolor painting. So no worries, because today in this lecture, in this video, I will explain you that how you can turn any of your photos into watercolor painting using Google Gemini. So for it, you can open gemini.google.com, and here you can upload the image that you want to transform. And then here you need to type a simple prompt, and that will I will write here prompt. So this is create a watercolor style rendition of this portrait using gentle paint washes, subtle color bleeding along the edges, and soft pastel hues, and preserve the subject's like facial features while enhancing the image with fine splatter details and a faint textured paper effect. And from here you can select in the tools create images. So create a watercolor style rendition of this portrait using gentle paint washes and subtle color bleeding along the edges and soft pastel hues, and preserve the subject's facial features while enhancing the image with fine splatter details and a faint textured paper effect. So you can just press enter, and Gemini will turn your photo into watercolor painting just by writing this prompt and giving this image. Any image you can give, and Gemini will process it within few seconds, and you will get your paint watercolor painting. It looks amazing. See, so within few seconds you can convert any of your photo into watercolor painting by typing this prompt that I typed. So you can copy this prompt and you can use it for your own images. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.